Warren Buffett says that right now is the time to be buying American stocks. The Oracle of Omaha making this bold call in a New York Times op-ed piece this morning. He says he's been buying stocks in his personal account. Before that account, at least until recently, has held only U.S. government bonds. So why is he making this move now? Buffett writes he has one rule that dictates buying: be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. He argues that fears regarding the long-term prosperity of the nation's many sound companies make no sense, and he predicts most major companies will be setting new profit records 5, 10, and 20 years from now. Buffett does caution, as he always does, that he can't predict short-term stock movements. He is not necessarily predicting a bottom here. He just says things look like they're at a good price. He's also not buying blindly. In fact, Buffett tells CNBC that he was buying stocks early yesterday, but as the market swung from down 400 points to up 400 points, he stopped. And that is key, too. He says always pay attention to the prices. He does warn, though, investors right now is not the time to sit on the sidelines. He says, today, people who hold cash equivalents feel comfortable. They shouldn't. They have opted for a terrible long-term asset, one that pays virtually nothing and is certain to depreciate in value. Now, this isn't the first time that the Oracle of Omaha has spoken out to the American public on stock. In fact, on November 1st, 1974, Buffett tells Forbes, now is the time to invest and get rich. You can see that it did work out in the end to be about the bottom. On August 6, 1979, he writes in a piece in Forbes, those awaiting a better time for equity investing are highly likely to maintain that posture until well into the next bull market. And on November 22nd, 1999, he pins that piece for Fortune warning, investors in stocks these days are expecting far too much. In any event, it's in the New York Times today, and it's been an interesting call to watch.